Hello and welcome to Fiona's Creative Canvas. Today I am going to keep to basics, want something fairly simple and a warm colour palette. I've got some new colours here from Jo Sonia and Atelier that I haven't used. I've got gold oxide, brown black and yellow oxide, plus my warm grey, neutral grey and white by Amsterdam. I've got some big brushes here. I think I've only used this in a background, but today I think I want to try doing something with it. I've got some spreaders from the hardware store that you use for patching up walls and things. So let's get straight into it. Now this warm grey, might just bring that over here and mix in some white and a little bit of this colour. See what we get. Still grey. Alright, let's put that colour through and then I think I might try and lighten it again. I'm going to need more paint. It's quite thin, that. Got a slightly different colour. But that's okay because we want to build up colours. I wonder if I should wet this a little bit. Just going to use up all of this paint. Basically, we're just going to be using a mixture of these colours. So I'm going to put some white down now. But I'm going to add a little bit of that green. Okay, more white for this top corner. Ooh. These paddle brushes are very good for getting paint down quick. And it gets into spots because they're a stiff bristle. Alright, so there we've got our background. I might use that later. I was also going to grab out my catalyst wedge. Thought that might be fun to use with some of these colours. Let's go with the warm grey. And I'm going to use the big brush again. Kind of ran out, didn't it? Yes, I like that. Particularly like this cute little striped edge. I've also got this. Oh no! Is that a happy accident? That's the question. Let's just play around with these colours and tools. Not sure about that. Not sure whether I like this or not. Maybe. Let's try the catalyst wedge and see what that does. I do like the way it slides though. So far I'm not liking this, and that's fine because we're going to keep playing with it. This is a brown black, so I don't know how dark it's going to be. I might get out Van Dyke Brown. Should we go catalyst wedge again? Interesting. So it kind of takes it off, puts it on, takes it off. I don't know. I do really like this black brown. Just not sure where I want to put it yet. Not sure about these colours. I'm going to use raw sienna instead of gold oxide, just because I have more of this one. And it's a slightly different colour, which I think might go better. Just trying some things. Don't like either of that. Let's go wide. It's better. Let's try applying it straight onto the canvas and dragging that down. Then I'm going to go that way with it. Don't know, need something through here. This is different colour white. Let's go through here. Yuck, let's take that off. I think I might start using a palette knife, because it might create a little bit more texture. Like that. A little bit more solid. I do quite like that black brown. Oh! Did I drag my finger through there? I see. Want to cover that? Still got some negative space up there, which I think I will leave. And this is kind of negative space here. I like that I took a bit away from there. Just a few lines makes all the difference. I think I need a little something through there. I'm going to put some white stripes in now. Well, there's this colour here. Trying to find balance. Trying to make it busy in a spot. Okay. I like the detail. I wasn't sure how this was going at the start, but now that we're bringing in detail, I like it. Not sure about that. It's there now though. I know sometimes I remove it. I don't know if I can. Oh, this could be a risk. Yeah, that works. Gonna leave it there. Am I? Am I gonna leave it there? Thinking about taking the black off here. Only subtly though. Just connecting it to that outside. There's not much left. Like that. Okay. So I've been doing a little bit of contemplating with this one. I was thinking about adding some gold leaf, but then I thought, well, what about some gold paint instead? I haven't used gold paint for a while, so I think I'm going to try that. What I do need is a palette knife, and I think I'm going to use this one. I actually got some pop sticks out. This is a bit of a tip. I was thinking like I wanted sort of some through here, maybe a bit through there, a bit up here. Just trying to get my design kind of figured out beforehand, just by using some pop sticks. So kind of this third, that's about halfway, kind of through there. This has got a bit of orange to it. I've got another gold. Where's that? This is Liquitex Basics Gold. Let's see if we can find the best gold to go with this canvas. I don't think this one. I kind of like this one, but this sort of goes with that colour, and that goes with that colour. I have a bronze as well, which goes with that colour. Ooh, that's interesting, isn't it? I could add two different metallics. I'm going to think about that. We're going to start with the gold, and I might bring in some copper as well. I want to go a little higher. Yeah. Nice. And turn it upside down. Had it sort of here, didn't I think. Little bits of shine. Alright, now do I want to add a bit of copper? Going really easy on the copper. Is it copper? Bronze, sorry. It's actually bronze. Bits like that. Has that given it some life? Still got a fairly plain spot there. This is fairly plain. We've got some shine happening through there. And then there's this direction, which I still feel I need something here. And I think this is working. Still leaving lots of negative space, but it's just a little cold in that corner. So I'm just trying to bring a bit of warmth in there without being too bright. Yep, I think that's a bit more balanced. Alright, let's leave it there. I don't want to overwork it too much. And here is the final result. I thought I'd show you landscape first. And I did actually add a tiny bit more at the end. Look at the shine. I added a little bit more just in here. Put this kind of square in there. The gold, the bronze, browns, texture, and I will show you the other direction. And here it is the other way. So you can see the shine in different. I do quite like the bronze. I think that worked well. But very earthy with a bit of metallics. Thanks again to all the members for helping support the channel. That's it for this one, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and I shall see you all in the next one. Bye.